Hi. I'm robo-Suzie, and today I'll talk to you about learning the different causes of diabetes type 1. Also, don't forget to check out the link below, to find out how this guy reversed his diabetes. Turns out, the diabetes industry is selling us fake research. But back to our topic. Blood sugar levels elevate, and if not controlled properly will cause complete and eventually life-threatening harm throughout the human body. However, doctors do not know the reasons why diabetes type 1 happens. The best presumptions have centered in various combination of hereditary tendencies to diabetes, which is triggered by environmental factors that not known. The following are considered to be the causes of diabetes: genetics or heredity. Researchers have made specific linkage between diabetes type 1 and the genetic makeup. Several people are naturally born to have a tendency in developing this disease. However, this ailment is not an inherited illness. Only people with hereditary predisposition into type 1 diabetes in reality end up having it. For instance, if a first-degree relative, parents, sibling or child, has it, the possibility of acquiring the disease is only 10%. Even an indistinguishable twin, one of the twins has 1 in 3 opportunity to have the disease if the other twin has the illness already. Diabetes type 1 has undergone the foremost increase in particular European nations in northeastern United States. If this disease resulted from heredity, researchers would say that such a rise in cases will take in a minimum of 400 years. Since genetic aspects cannot predict expansion of diabetes, other features must be working. Environment also triggers diabetes. Some researchers consider that a viral infection may trigger type 1 diabetes in persons who are genetically susceptible to the illness. In this plot, the virus produces a viral protein which resembles the beta cell protein which produces insulin. The immune system, hoaxed by this similarity, hits the beta cells of the pancreas and also the virus. They are called enteric germs because they are connected to human stools and attack the bowels, which cause diarrhea and vomiting and are particularly scrutinized as potential source of type 1 diabetes. Other researchers think that the trigger is truly some sort of pollutant in the surroundings. One assumption under investigation charges toxic microorganisms in the topsoil. According to this assumption, the bacteria swarm vegetables, which are then eaten by persons who are genetically prone to diabetes type 1. Other autoimmune disorders. Patients with diabetes type 1 are more possibly to experience other autoimmune problems, like thyroid diseases or celiac diseases. Thyroid illness causes the body to utilize energy more or less rapidly than it should be, while celiac diseases cause the immune system in order to hit the lining of the little intestines every time the person eats gluten, found in wheat and supplementary grains. Researchers presently are scrutinizing how the existence of other autoimmune mess may increase the risk of person to diabetes type 1. Apparently, there is a necessity of more to be studied before the medical society can start to know the sources of the illness and eventually, the means to prevent it. Until then, the most excellent you may do is to get an early detection of the disease and follow the accurate insulin replacing treatment management to live a regular and pleasing life as possible. That's it. Thank you. Please subscribe, comment and like this video if it was helpful. See you soon.